Yes, UK don't reply editorial. I say me I quit do this video before editorial video when she take respond to all those house girl video when we make. Our sister UK family, thank you for this reply. For me, I don't want me una reply, but as you still bring and come answer, who am I not to talk? But I go talk put because I don't already start to the talk put for this matter they come. Dive to the topic. My sister, I don't play your video. Finish. As you say, yes, editorial stay with you now. I love how you not say lie. You talk the truth. Nobody on this earth when you go say she or he and his brother or his siblings they no ever fight when they grow up. We all fight. Then where I want read see chook mouth put about say editorial don dey make money. She no dey like to drop. Then they say am for the same father, the same mother. You even still talk and say you fit be the type when you go hustle. You go bring the money make they take care. But you the remaining of your siblings na my own, na my own, na my own. It dey happen for many families, not only your family. E come happen say you and the children no be the same father, the same mother. And I dey my auntie house. They make my auntie take care of me. My mom when we dey grow up, no be my story I wan talk, but let me chook this one in. When we dey grow up, my mom get a brother, a late brother, so when they stay with us. E no mean say dem must contribute. Na food wey my man cook, na all of us go eat. Siblings dey fight. If quarrel come, they go settle them. You understand? As you come say you big time, editorial na one kind person when they say I wan comot. Then you no want make e comot. You no want make that is e word reach. You want you want say okay, two of us fight now because of that one you want comot. You go stay this house. But editorial say you push her out. You tell her make she comot. We don't know who dey lie for that part. It can happen say editorial dey lie. It can still happen say editorial no dey lie. It can still be say na you dey lie. But for that part, I no fit talk. Only God. But if na read true say you push editorial outside, e no good. Siblings dey fight. E no mean say you push am outside. E talk about how e take leave your papa. That one, my sister, you see they go another angle. How e take leave his stepfather, wetin he do. You know this world, anything when we do, we go reap am. If you treat your mother well, children you will give birth to, they will over-treat you well. If you mean well to your mom, children you give birth to, money not be everything. Care matter a lot. Europe when I dey, many old people, they don't need your money. They just need your love. You and your children to come. They go feed you, buy gift for their children. Many of them, they lack of it. Maybe now wetin they do, or maybe I don't know. They don't show their children love. Wetin we do on this earth, we must surely repeat. That one and that one. What for me, editorial I not drop money, if they keep money, na her own. For me, now because she dey stay with his mom, his sister, but a wise person and a person when get good heart. Why not? You dey make money. The little one when you get, as you dey come, you buy something come house. For that part, nothing say UK dey lie. But the part when you reach chook my liver, I call meme, now una with God, now we leave the matter for. Whether you really beat and you tell am make comot, you not let her come in. That part, e draw my liver. Because I know how editorial, when I dey watch editorial, right from the time, her struggle. That boy when you mention just now, I know say editorial carry that guy near body. That time still small, still small. What you call am just now, afraid. I know that time. You understand? They see, I know besides I know editorial one-on-one, but wetin we bring out come on for social media, we dey use and see they know some people. That one and that one for there. You see now when you can't start your own life, you can't say things need to change. When people come the other and you can't know say when you dey send a message, not be say you wicked and na doing, in fact, you supposed to do am. House when you dey supposed to watch, you supposed to do all those things. That one and that one. My sister, UK family. Editorial not say you stab her. No. Editorial not say you stab her. Editorial say you beat her. You dey blow this her eye. Maybe you don't know. She even still put on. Go and watch that video from the Genesis to Revelation. Maybe you listen to her well. Say maybe you don't know. Say she gets mark as you take beat her. She said she don't get power to fight. He said maybe you don't know. She even still put on. Say now you cause her this mark. If you carry knife stab her in the eye go blind now. He said you dey beat her. Now beat her here. Maybe e not clear for me. If it clear for my people, my commenters, I beg me una leave na comment. I beg. Editorial talk am for her video say Ekeme use knife. Me I not hear that. And I say she beat me. when I take sugar cane. Any small thing can happen to siblings. Any little thing can happen. Hey, you take my this thing, I give you. Fight go start. Brother and sister fight, me no, I know whether una fight, me I know say the part wey pay me say you push her out, but as you come outside now say because I no dey there, nobody dey there. Na wetin editorial talk na we talk. Na wetin you talk na we go still talk put. But that one na pay me say, ha, you if 12 na even fight, I no fit tell you say me and my brother will not ever get quarrel, or me and my brother will not ever get fight. Why not? My small children they grow up, so the man is my, it's mine. Talk of arguments must come, fight must come. But if na true that part, I'll still repeat am again, you push her out, my sister, you not do am well, because she dey stay with her auntie and she na your mom. You know this life, if we stay with person, you know me say make that person may not reach where e go reach, that person must reach am. You dey see am, na it be that. But if you not still push am out, na because of say two of una fight, na make editorial come off. Editorial, you not do am well at all. You not do am well. If na your the same father, the same mother, na your mother house, your father house, then you come dey say because of your father talk to you, you come on. You say your stepfather, na that one na make you first come on. But me no want to bring that one in. My sister UK family say your editorial mom say you dey join peace storm, say you dey jealous. You know see say na the same thing me Naija daughter dey always dey tell you. If person dey look at that one kind angle, you go say you dey jealous editorial. Mama editorial no mean anything bad to you. No put your auntie word for mind. If na she still give birth to you, she can still easily tell you say, why you dey always jealous this your junior sister? If na your mama, you go come tell am say, oh, you say na him make this matter heavy like this. If that your auntie carry cane wipe you, e bad, that is you go beat am. Just ordinary talk. Auntie, I no dey jealous editorial. See the reason. Una go talk am for indoor, as we see say una for talk am for indoor. As na your mouth me take dey talk now. You say this your auntie say you dey jealous. If she really talk am, why can't you tell your auntie and explain? Say the reason why I'm not joining her side that will beat my sister. Editorial, she's my sister. Mommy, auntie, look am for this handle. You say because of say your auntie say you dey jealous your sister editorial. Now make this matter trigger like this. Maybe the ladies, because if two people they fight, now read judge, now she know wetin two of na read talk, wetin two of na read do. Then she decide to judge you like that. You say na because she join her daughter. No be like that. I beg, if you get that your auntie matter for mine, remove her. Because you dey jealous, me dey talk am. Because as I take see you, as you take carry the girl matter, I say no, there is something. And this your sister say before this girl matter over come aside, say you don dey talk, you don first tell am say you dey vex for her before this issue start. You understand? That is why your auntie say you dey jealous your sister. Editorial, she's your sister. And secondly, when you see talk about, e get that guy when UK talk about Alfred. Yes, Alfred really stay with editorial. He's small that time he dey stay with editorial, but now he don be big boy. And if editorial not really good, Alfred see they come editorial house, or they see him for editorial house. You not see that boy na don big. May we dey be careful who stay with us. You know me say they don't get future. Alfred, he don't big now. Everybody don't big. Now this one I get to talk. Editorial, remove this matter for mind. UK, remove this matter. Let peace reign. If na still bring part 100, we still dey here. Now our content, our niche. UK say no reply the life of Casey. I like that part. If you look at now your junior sister, junior, at least editorial still follow you. Okay. About your editorial stepdad. Yes, all of us already know say na stepdad, but no trigger and come in again. How editorial take run leave her mom for Lagos. All those one leave her. Okay, may we let peace reign. Now wetin me want tell you be this. May we let peace reign. Now wait, I want to tell you. And that Stabby, I go your comment section just now. Then person don't reply. You say editorial not say you do am. You carry knife. Oh, no. Editorial not say you blow am. Maybe you know who know. Now wait till she talk with that. Yes, now wait till I want just try to clear the hair. As far as say 12 una say una no leave remove the matter for street. Who am I? As una they bring am, will they help una they analyze am. My people, I beg me una they watch other of my video. I always drop video, not only this saga. at least other video dey touchy story dey come outside. Make una beg, make una still dey watch, okay? Now this one will get to talk. I'll see you now in my next video. Do well to join this beautiful family. If you never subscribe, if you get contact to through that is direct to Ekeme, beg her, tell her make you stop this thing. If you get direct contact to Editorial, tell Editorial make she stop, make she carry this matter come on for online. Editorial first come Abuja, not stay with their UK. If I get place when they stay before something happen, you know one contribute. Responsible girl and wise girl, she supposed to do all those things are just minor thing. You understand? Normal. If you dey live with your mother, stay with all those one are minor thing, but no be that one will come dey talk again. I'll meet you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.